Hi, I'm Mike, inventor of Freedom Crate. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Freedom Crate Classic. It's going to change your life. I know because it changed mine. So let's get started on setting up your Freedom Crate. Okay, so now you want to assemble the crate. So you want to make sure it's laying flat with the tray down. Then you're going to unclip that little clip right there. Fold it open. Like so. Then you come around to the front panel and you're going to pull it up and make sure that you latch all four of these latches right here. Make sure all four are secure. And then you come to the back and do the same thing. Just like that. Now your crate is assembled and ready to be used as an ordinary standalone pet crate. If you ever need to remove the tray to clean it or replace it, you simply lift it up, push this little bracket down, and slide it right out the front. To put it back, just slide it back in, lift it up, and push this latch forward. That keeps it from sliding out. Okay, if you want to store your crate away or travel with it, you simply just fold it back up, starting in the back. You just fold that back down, and then you come to the front, fold the front down, let it collapse on itself, and then fold it back up, and clip this one clip right here. If you want to travel with it, it comes with two handles that you can clip on, like so. And you can put them wherever you want.